Hi everyone, for this video, I'll discuss CPRS Enrollment, Client Profile Registration System. CPRS is one of the requirements to be accredited as a new importer with the Bureau of Customs or BOC. Here's what you need to do. Create an account. Use this URL link www.intercommerce.com.ph/registration.asp. Additional documents are required to process and activate your account. Number 1. Accomplice INS enrollment form. See this example. Number 2. Provide scanned copy of BIR 2303. See this example. Provide the username. In my case, I use the company's name as the username. For customer support, you just have to send an email to helpdesk@intercommerce.com.ph. That's all for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.